Hello everyone, it's happy to see you all again with this vitiligo micropigmentation. As you can see, we are going to do the color correction on his lips. It's a very uneven tone. There is a lot of white color and then the black tones around it. So we are going to match that white patch to his actual skin tone. So in that way we can achieve the exact skin tone of his actual lip color. So it will not look awkward. It will be looks completely matched. So the process is going to start. We have applied the numbing cream on that place. So I'm going to start the process now. As you all know, this is the only way to get your lip color skin back with minimal effort. There is no particular medicines or tablets you need to consume, and there is no particular treatments to be taken for this. It's completely safe to be go ahead. So it's one of the best way to proceed the treatment. As you can see, it's very smooth, and it might be looks like I'm using a darker tone, but it is not, because in the lip, when the white patch is there, it will not going to be looks like an exact white patch. It will be little pinkish in tone. So to match that, we will be mix the colors. If you are checking out every artist can able to do it, no, it is not. It requires the special experience, and the experts can be able to do it. We have attached our contact number in the description. Please do check it once, and if you have any doubts, please do contact us. We can able to help you out. So here you can see it's almost going to get finished. It's the most pain-free process. There is no swelling, there is no bleeding. It's a much more easiest process, and many of them think it's almost similar to tattoo, but it is not tattooing. I see here his lip and the down part, it's completely matched. Once got healed, he will be get the exact output. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Don't die nude.